So the supplies we need are shaving cream, vehicles, toy vehicles, a toothbrush, 2 containers, one empty and one filled with water. The water to whatever temperature you want it to be. So here we go. I was just showing my cousin the different things that we're going to do. And this is for us to create our car wash. We're going to first get some shaving cream. We're going to shake that up, shake, shake, shake. Put that shaving cream into the container with the cars. And she had a truck, a car, and a spaceship. So we're just going to go along with it. It's all fun here. Squeeze. Yeah, get all that in there. It's actually a very fun activity, and you just use your imagination and you just run wild with it. She was a little nervous to start it out with. Then she slowly but surely got into a little bit so your sleeves don't get dirty, okay? There you go. Ooh, are you ready?
It looks like ice.
It kind of does look like ice, I agree. Ooh, feels kind of strange. Yeah, so play with it, Almond. Can rub on it. And...
You need to rub it with the sponge.
Yeah, go ahead. You can take the sponge and you can rub on it. You know. Ooh, the shaving cream feels fun.
Scrub, scrub, scrub.
You want to take the paper towel to wipe down?
Yeah, can get a little messy. Are you ready, Almond? You said you're ready to... So first we're going to clean off our... We're going to clean off our cars, okay? And as we're cleaning our cars, we're pretty much cleaning our hands too. Alrighty. Here we go. Yeah, exactly.
Scrub.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Scrub it. Scrub it some more. Ooh. Making sure it gets very clean. I love how you're taking this so serious. This is wonderful. Is this a car or a truck?
It's a truck.
Oh, it's a truck. Gotcha. What color is the truck?
Blue and then orange.
Yeah, you got it. Blue and orange. I agree. Whoa. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Nice job. You are working very hard, my friend. That car is red. Yeah. Do you think you need the toothbrush as well? Or yeah, here you go. It's a fun job. A little messy though. Yeah, Almond, you're doing a fantastic job.
What's that?
Oh, that's all right. You want to keep it?
Yeah, but
It probably will just come off again. Maybe we'll try to put it on when it dries.
no, it can't.
No.
It's too soapy.
That's funny. when it's done getting washed, they dry the car off.
I need to try it.
Okay, go ahead. I just realized that this is not a car. This is a truck. Yeah. How many wheels does this one have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, it has 6 wheels. How many wheels does your car have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, wow, that's right. Nice counting. You're correct. It does have that many wheels.
I can draw perfectly fine. You
Oh.
can look at because this still looks good.
It's still not clean yet.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't do a good job.
it just looks like that.
You're right. It needs to be sparkling clean. It should be sparkling clean. It should not be dirty. Working at the car wash. Oh, yeah.
Just smell it. Smell great.
Well, it's very clean. You're right.
Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. It
Okay.
does smell good.
Okay, let me smell it. Mmm, smells very good. Wow. It looks like it's ready to go for a race. Here you go. I love how you're taking your time and you're making sure that it's very clean. You're really cleaning that truck, girl. I definitely want to say shout out to my cousin for being completely full in character. She was just having a ball here. And now you'll start hearing.
Need a lot that.
This one needs more?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Okay.
Yeah, you need to get that
Thank you.
there, and
Okay.
I need to get all the soap.
Okay, no problem. You get that soap, girl. I'll just dry this some more.
No, it's ready to clean enough.
You dried it already. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. All right, let's get going. He's all covered. He's getting clean with the soap too. Guess he's taking a bath. He's taking a bath at the car wash. How about that? You want to scoot back? Yeah, that's fine. What's his name?
Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, that is Buzz Lightyear. Okay, I see. I've heard about Buzz Lightyear before. He always says, to infinity and...
Stars.
To infinity and stars? Or is it to infinity and beyond? To infinity and beyond? Awesome. All right. So I guess we are all done. All done?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for helping me wash those cars, or those vehicles, I should say. We had a truck, a car, and
Buzz Lightyear.
yeah, this is Buzz Lightyear, and he's in a spaceship. Wow, 3 different vehicles. Awesome.
Wait, I'm gonna stop thinking.
Did we miss another spot? Oh boy. Awesome. Alrighty, thank you. Okay, I think we're all set. Can we wave bye? Bye. All right, thank you.